Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Kate from MIT Academy of Engineering, Alandi, Pune, Mechanical Department. I am presenting on the topic of fuel injection system. Introduction. This presentation provides an in-depth analysis of fuel injection systems in modern automotive engineering. Understanding this system is crucial for enhancing engine performance, efficiency, and emission control. Fuel injection. Fuel injection process of injecting fuel into the engine combustion chamber. Fuel injection system use injector to precisely measure and deliver fuel into the chamber, ensuring the correct air to fuel ratio for ignition. This process is essential for controlling emission, performance, and economy. Fuel injection is a system for mixing fuel with air in an internal combustion engine. With the advent of electronic fuel injection, the diesel and gasoline hardware has become similar. It has become the primary fuel delivery system used in gasoline automotive engine, having almost completely replaced carburetor in the late 1980s. The primary difference between carburetor and fuel injection is that fuel injection atomizes the fuel by forcibly pumping it through a small nozzle under high pressure, while a carburetor release on low pressure created by intake air rushing through it. One of the most commercial fuel injection systems was a mechanical system developed by Bosch and introduced in 1955 on the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Construction and working. The fuel injector is only a nozzle and a valve. The power to inject the fuel comes from a pump or a pressure container further back in the fuel supply. The functional objective for fuel injection system can vary. All share the central task for supplying fuel to the combustion process, but it is design decision how a particular system will be optimized. Type of fuel injection. There are two types of fuel injection: throttle body injection, multi-point fuel injection. Throttle body injection. Description. Throttle body injection, also known as single point injection. Throttle body injection uses a single injector located at the throttle point to deliver fuel into the intake manifold. Advantages of throttle body injection: simple and cheaper than multi-point system. Disadvantages: less precise fuel delivery leading to lower efficiency and performance compared to more advanced system. Diagram of throttle body injection. Air inlet. Air enters the throttle body through the air inlet. The fuel injector sprays fuel into the airstream. The injector is electronically controlled to deliver precise amount of fuel based on engine demand. Throttle plate controls the amount of air that enters the engine when the throttle is opening. By pressing the accelerator pedal, more air flow in, which in turn requires more fuel. Fuel pressure regulator maintains the proper fuel pressure in the injector. Air and fuel mix in the throttle body before entering the engine's intake manifold. Fuel lines enters the throttle body from the fuel oil, and any excess fuel that is not injected into air stream is sent back to the tank. The throttle body injection system controls the mixture of fuel and air that enters the engine, which is crucial for efficient combustion and engine performance. Multi-point injection description. Multi-point fuel injection, also known as a fourth fuel injection. Multi-point fuel injection uses a separate injector for each cylinder, delivering fuel directly to the intake port of each cylinder. Advantages: improve fuel delivery precision, better performance and efficiency. Disadvantage: more complex and expensive than throttle body injection. Diagram of multi-point fuel injection. A fuel pump and fuel filter draws fuel from the tank and pushes it through the fuel filter, which removes impurities. Fuel rail. The filter fuel enters the fuel rail, a common supply line that distributed fuel to each injector. Fuel injector. Each cylinder has its own injector which sprays fuel directly into the intake manifold near the intake valve. This ensures each cylinder receives the right amount of fuel for combustion. Fuel pressure regulator devices maintain the proper fuel pressure within the fuel rail, sending any excess fuel back to the fuel tank. Electronic control unit. The electronic control the injector, determining how much fuel to inject based on data from various sensors. These sensors measure factors like throttle position, coolant temperature, oil temperature, oxygen level, and intake air temperature. The multi-point fuel injection system ensures that each engine cylinder get the optimal amount of fuel, leading to better fuel efficiency, lower emission, and improved engine performance. Advantage: fuel efficiency. Fuel injection system can help you save fuel and run your engine more efficiently. Power: fuel injection system can provide more power at lower engine speeds. Emission: modern fuel injection system can meet strict emission standards. Cold start: some fuel injection systems like direct injection can make it easier to start your car when it's cold. Disadvantage: cost. Fuel injection system can be more expensive than carburetors. Complexity: some fuel injection system like multi-point fuel injection can have complex design. Electrical issue: multi-point fuel injection system can be vulnerable to electrical issue. Compatibility: multi-point fuel injection system can have limited compatibility. Accuracy: some fuel injection system like throttle body fuel injection can lack accuracy. Conclusion: this the fuel injection and ignition system in automobiles are crucial components that ensure efficient engine performance, fuel economy, and reduce emissions. Fuel injection precisely deliver the right amount of fuel to the engine, optimizing combustion and enhancing power output. Thank you.